Hey boos, back with another video. So today I am making catfish nuggets. So I done washed and cleaned my catfish nuggets with lemon juice and distilled white vinegar. So we're going to do catfish nuggets with jambalaya. This box of jambalaya for all these. So I'm going to put smoked sausage in the jambalaya. So we're going to do adobo. We're going to use a little adobo. When I say little, I mean a little. So literally that much. Not a lot of adobo. Kinders, buttery garlic and herb. You know how I feel about Kinders. You got to have my Kinders. Then Kinders caramelized onion butter, always in rotation. And you just want to saute them sausages for about 3 to 4 minutes. Paprika. And just give it some mix. Louisiana fish fry seasoning. New Orleans fish fry. After your fish is nicely coated, this is what it should look like. So once you mix it, let it come to a simmer for 25 minutes. And now we're going to move on to our fish. Okay, now we'll just throw our breaded fish in here. You gotta make sure that oil is hot. We got our first one looking all crispy. Jambalaya coming along. It's pretty much done. This is what the fish is looking like. We got a couple more batches. This is the fish. We got all our beautiful golden fish. Gonna let these cook a little longer before taking them out. And there we have it. Our crispy fried catfish with our Aldi's jambalaya with smoked sausage. So let me just break it. Look at that. Yeah. Get you some. Yes. Yes. All these did they big one. Okay. Yeah. Catfish. I love catfish. The fish is nicely coated, nice and crunchy, and the jambalaya is really good. The sausage, smoked sausage, this is beef sausage, gave the rice a really nice touch. But I hope you guys like this video. Let me know if you tried this recipe. Bye.